How to buy Mubarak Trump token. So this token came under the symbol of Trump. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on MEXC. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token. Now, this, as you can see, this token is under the BNB Smart Chain network. Now, open your BITGET wallet for that, and now from the top right corner, click here and select the BNB chain here. Now, click on this plus icon and paste token as in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this our token. Now, make sure to read that risk before going and add this token to your wallet. Now, make sure to read all of the risk of that token before going and buy this token. Now, what you need to do after that, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet, and now go back and make sure to search for your token that you just added called Trump. Now after that, click on it and now click on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and now you can type how much you want to buy like that, and after that here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy the token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Trump token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.